Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is your PC feeling a bit sluggish, even though you've got decent hardware? Most people are stuck using the standard balanced power plan, which actually holds your components back to save a few pennies on electricity. But did you know there is a hidden top-tier setting called Ultimate Performance? It was originally designed for high-end workstations to eliminate every millisecond of lag, and today I'm going to show you how to force it to appear on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Let's unlock your computer's true potential. First, let's check if you already have it. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel, and hit Enter. In the top right, change View By to Large Icons. Now, find and click on Power Options. You'll likely see Balanced or High Performance. Click on Show Additional Plans. If Ultimate Performance isn't there, don't worry. Microsoft hides it by default on most home PCs. Let's go get it. We need to run a quick command to unlock the secret menu. Right-click your Start button and select Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. If a user account control window pops up, click Yes. Now, you need to type in a specific code. I've put this in the description so you can just copy and paste it to avoid any typos. Then, hit Enter. You should see a message saying Power Scheme GUID followed by Ultimate Performance. Success! You've just injected the plan into your system. Now, let's activate it. Go back to your Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it again. Go to Power Options. Click Show Additional Plans, and there it is, Ultimate Performance. Click the bubble next to it to turn it on. What does this actually do? Unlike the balanced plan, Ultimate Performance stops your hard drives from ever going to sleep, keeps your CPU at its maximum clock speed 100% of the time, and eliminates micro-latencies. It's like taking the speed limiter off a sports car. However, I have a very important pro tip for my laptop users. Only use this mode when you are plugged into the wall. Because this plan tells your hardware to never save power, it will eat your battery life for breakfast. If you're traveling, switch back to balanced. But for gaming or video editing at your desk, Ultimate Performance is the way to go. If you want to squeeze even more speed out of your system, click on Change Plan Settings next to your new plan. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management. Ensure both minimum and maximum processor state are set to 100%. This guarantees your CPU never slows down, even for a split second. Click OK and save your changes. That's it! You've just unlocked the highest performance level Windows has to offer. If you noticed a difference in your frame rates or system snappiness, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing those success stories. Thanks for watching, stay passionate about tech, and I'll see you in the next one.